Hey, hey, hey! Alright, alright. Siyempre,
Hi,
we're live
hi,
again
hi,
dito
hi.
sa loob ng Online Filipino Freelancers. And wala pa ulit ako matawag na pangalan ng segment na to. Kasi it's been a long time no? Huli ako ganito sa loob ng off. But again, para sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, my name is Ken Sumera. And I'm one of the admins dito sa Online Filipino Freelancers. And we are doing a session for tonight. Ang pag-uusapan natin is about productivity and dealing with procrastination. Kasi for quite some time nakikita natin dito sa loob na ayan, may mga nagpo-post parang yung ang hirap, parang ang dami kong task, nahihirapan ako mag-prioritize, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko, parang kailangan ko na itong gawin, pero hindi ko siya ginagawa. Nade-delay lahat. Yan, okay. So, syempre, nag-invite tayo ng isang, ito, very good friend ko to. Pero in terms of this topic, I do look up to him. Isa siya sa mga tao talaga that help me create systems. And marami na rin siyang kinoach ng mga coaches din, mga trainers. Oo. For how many years na rin kaming magkasama nito and I'm still continuously learning from this guy. So without hindi ko na de-delayin to para dire-diretso na tayo kasi I do think may mga questions din kayo. So pwede kayong mag-type in dito sa comment section natin. This is live. This is not recorded. Okay? So pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section pag meron kayong mga tanong, personal questions about your current situation, what's stopping you, and let's talk about things that worked, not just for us, but also for the people that we work with and serve. All right? So, syempre, papakilala muna natin our esteemed speaker for tonight, Dr. Strix Toledo. Strix, kamusta?
Magandang gabi, kaibigan,
Magandang
kapatid.
gabi, kaibigan, kapatid.
Hope you're
Okay.
doing well.
Syempre, syempre. Alright. Quick lang. Maybe
Magandang
you
gabi
could
sa inyo lahat.
share, yun, yeah, magandang gabi. So maybe you could share something about yourself for those people that still don't know you yet. Oh, background, yeah.
Um, Strangely enough, I am a medical doctor. That's my main thing. Isa po kong doktor, manggagamot, or physician. Pain management po ang kadalasang ginagawa ko sa clinic. That's anything from moving around soft tissues, joints, nerves, to doing injections, all sorts of injections from anti-inflammatory to Botox, etc. That's my main thing. I'm also credentialed for aesthetics, so Botox for the face, fillers, and weird stuff, regenerative, stem cells, etc. But the beloved 50% sideline is I'm a coach. I'm an insight, clarity, and focus coach. If you like personal or transformative coaching, essentially, I don't know what kind of background, bro. I hope that kind of helps. And one of my passions recently has been really I did a whole course on it for the last what's it been now 3 years now.
Mhm.
Procrastination, going from procrastination to momentum, overcoming personal inertia. So that's a whole big thing. Paano maging hindi stuck?
Yeah. For every year, na ma-attend ako niyan yung focus planning, every December usually. Kaya mga focus. Tingnan
Oo nga
natin,
bro,
baka pwede tayo mag-focus planning dito. Strix, tingnan natin.
kung may gusto, pero kung
And
ayaw, di wag, di
then,
ba?
ayaw. In the next couple of days, tingnan natin. Marami pa naman tayong araw before Christmas eh. And yun, sabi ko dito sa comment section, tag niyo yung mga friends niyo, mga kaibigan niyo na feeling gusto mag-improve, gusto matuto ng systems, gustong magkaroon ng momentum, gusto magkaroon ng change sa buhay nila, gusto
Mm.
matuto magplano ng mas maigi. gusto mag-prioritize, matuto mag-prioritize better. Okay? Gusto mag-take action.
Malaking,
Oo.
Oo nga, malaking bagay yun yung pinpoint out mo sa una. Ano bro,
Ah.
hindi kasi lahat ng tao totoong gustong yun, magbago.
Mm.
Maraming tao bukang bibig lang na gusto nilang mag-change. Uso yun eh. Uso yung change eh. Pero karamihan ng tao hindi talaga kikilos. Hindi talaga gagawan. Fashionable lang. Maganda ibida, maganda i-post. Pero most people, ang laki ng hatak, ang lakas ng kapit ng comfort zone. Hindi sila makaalis dun sa box na ginawa nila para sa sarili nila. Survival lang, tol. Survival, not thriving. Pwede na yun. Pwede na.
Mm.
Buhay eh. Pwede na yun.
I I
So
I
yung sinabi mo
remember.
na change, very
Ah.
few people will want it. Very few people will do it. Mm.
Yeah. Na na tawag dito. Naalala ko tuloy yung sinabi ko nun, 'di ba? Parang
Oh.
maraming nagsasabi nga na gusto nila magbago pero hindi pa talaga sila nakakapag-desisyon doon sa pagbabago na yun. At usually, madali sabihin pero wala pa silang steps. Ano ba yung next action
Oh.
step na kailangan nilang gawin para ma-reach yung goal na yun ng pagbabago. And I think sinabi ko to doon sa isang video ko na yung ano,
Mm.
episode 1 yun ng Kentot, A New Year, A New Me daw.
Mm. Mm.
Diba? Kasi ang ginawa kong highlight nung episode na yun was yung feeling ng every December, lalo na
Mm.
pagbagong taon, kadalasan
Mm.
yung mga tao nagkakaroon ng high emotion na, okay, New Year. Gagawin ko na yan ngayon 2025. 'Di ba? I mean, if
Mm.
you compare it ng mga mid-year, mga March, April, 'di ba? May, June. Gagawin ko yan next month, gagawin ko na yan. Medyo sakto lang eh. Pero yung emotion na talagang, gagawin ko na yan next year, bago sisimulan na to, pag next year na, gagawin ko na to. Um, you can take advantage of that emotion kasi. Oo. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Pero change is something that we want to talk about right now. So, let's entertain some questions muna. Tama ba? Question muna tayo bago tayo mag-main topic. Strix, okay lang?
Pwede naman, syempre. Call mo,
Sige.
you are the master of these ceremonies.
Sige. So, may question tayo dito. So, again, pwede kayo mag-comment ng mga question nyo. Sabi dito is how to overcome inferiority complex and imposter syndrome
Uy,
po. Okay.
oh,
For the
putya.
context,
Yan, isang buong episode na yan.
yeah, context is for the longest time, I know I have the potential, pero the limiting belief
Mm.
na hindi pa ako magaling.
Mm.
Regardless if I already achieved something, talagang nangingibabaw. Hanggang sa lagi na lang, hanggang sa lagi na lang nade-delay mga gusto kong pagbabago. How do I reframe myself from di pa ako magaling, so I'll not put myself out there to just go, just do it. Your answers will help me to stand up for myself, set myself more. Okay, yun. Yun yung tanong nung nag-message. Any inputs for this question?
First answer, first answer is you already answered your question. Just go, just do it. But really, it's quite a complex thing. There are many layers to this. Okay, so there parang tag team brothers yan eh. Yung inferiority complex tsaka yung imposter syndrome. Yung inferiority complex, bro, rooted yan sa sa acceptance sa comparison to others, yung judgment about flaws, about yung perceived true or not na past failures, tas yung future projection ng poor chances of success. So nandyan yung forever loop ng self-doubt, tapos yung nakatuto ka lang, nakikita lang nila yung kulang, tol. Yun eh. Yun yung root ng inferiority complex eh. Yung sa imposter syndrome naman, brothers yun eh. Tag team brothers yun eh. So yung internal feeling na parang fraud ka, na uh, incompetent ka, despite the fact na merong proof tol ng competence there's proof for competence but they can't see it. Diba? Parang body dysmorphia yan eh. Payat ka na pero hindi mo kitang payat ka eh. May isang body dysmorphic syndrome na ganun eh. Okay? So ito, despite um, despite every possible evidence of being competent, minsan hindi talaga competent, pero despite every possible evidence of competence, feeling nila hindi sila competent, feeling nila hindi sila able, feeling nila fraud sila, feeling nila parang facade lang. Tapos yung ending nun, na similar loop din eh, na um, since they think they're a fraud, their greatest fear is being exposed and proven to be not good enough, exactly as they feared. Kaso self-fulfilling loop, self-fulfilling prophecy, brother. That's may common tag team brothers kaya eh. May common drivers yan eh. Perfectionism, comparison, yung apparent fear of failure, tapos yung need for external validation. So hinahanap talaga nila. They have this unsatiable hunger for for approval. So yun. Yung they believe the root issue with perfectionism, the root belief that you must be perfect or flawless before you take action, which never happens because true perfection happens once you've taken action. There's not enough calibration if you haven't taken action. If you don't start the car, you don't figure out what's wrong with it. And they don't start the car. They think the car should be perfect before they start. No, it never happens that way. Tapos yung comparison, they focus on, yun, sakit din. Kasi nadali ka na ng social media. Even without that, it's worse now with social media. You focus on the achievements of others and yung apparent achievement rather than their own growth. Hindi nila alam tol, tayo alam natin yun eh. And masakit man sabihin, we've seen enough to know that a lot of what's on social media, how successful other people look on social media looks real to them. Kasi nandun yung lente ng comparison eh. Tapos yung fear of failure, yung kaperasong mistake lang, feeling nila worthless sila. Sobrang magnified tol. And then again, yung overvaluation ng need for external validation. Natututok sila dun. So, hanap ng approval. They have no notion of enough, you know. And that's a self-perpetuating loop. And it ties in closely with procrastination to. Kasi like perfectionism and procrastination, they're cousins. Kasi ang issue dun is emotional. Ang root nun is ah, that everything should be prepared, that everything should be ready. It's you think it's a technical issue, but the deeper I looked into it, looked at all the meta studies, well, guess what? A large part of procrastination is apparently emotional. The root is emotional. You know, they don't start because of some sort of fear. They think everything should be pre-prepared, pre-ready, no mistakes before they even take action, not understanding that action is the key. They have no notion of go slightly before you're ready, or it doesn't matter that you're not yet ready, go anyway, you learn something. They don't have that. It's hard. It's a quicksand loop, bro. Start pa lang yun, pero I hope that helped. Tas ang tanong is how to reframe, di ba?
Yeah, yung dun sa
Yeah,
dulo
yeah.
is how do I reframe myself? Yeah.
Yeah. Can I, first off, may sense ba yung sinabi ko earlier? Gets naman? Yeah. Okay. So with that background, let's try this. You could replace hindi pa ako magaling with hmm, alam mo, progress um, progress beats perfection. Like solo leveling, I can grow by doing. If you focus on whatever little changes and gains you make rather than ang issue is they're focusing on yung lack instead of yung gains. Not understanding that parang seed germination yun tol. It takes time. Pag naglagay ka ng seed sa lupa, hindi naman kaagad tutubo yan eh. Kahit na like muscle gains, if you're working sa gym, muscle, no, you won't see anything for the first 2-3 months. Physical changes, fat versus muscle, will happen at month 5 and 6. And so most people will quit because they don't see immediate change. Of course not. First things to change are mood and energy levels. First 2 months. If they're expecting different, ayun, they quit. Because they don't see the supposed evidence that they're looking for. Not understanding that things take time. Some worthwhile things take a hell of a lot of time. So that's my invitation. One, hindi ako magaling. Shift that to, may progress ako eh. Okay? Tapos, yung progress, mas totoo yun kaysa sa perfection. Yung progress, pwede maging perfection yun. Pero yung wala kang ginawa, that never becomes perfection. That becomes BS. Tapos, yung parallel nun, I can grow by doing. Diba? Parang anting-anting yun eh. Pag pinakain mo yung anting-anting, tsaka siya nag-work. Pag pinakain mo yung skills mo, tsaka siya gagaling. I can grow by doing. Okay? Tapos reframing. Kunin natin sa NLP tol. Since pareho tayong coaches and ito yung pinaka-trip natin gawin. Isa doon sa mga trip natin gawin. Anyway. Okay. Yung limiting belief, hindi pa ako magaling. So, we can try to break it. By example, di nga. Totoo ba? Saan ba galing itong paniniwalang to? Sino ba nagsabi? Who said? How true? Totoo ba to? Okay? Or my favorite, di nga. Or one of my old favorite quotes, lul. Okay? So example hindi pa ako magaling. Lul. Or di nga. Like challenge it and then just see is it true or not. And you could in a CBT or ACT way, you could look for evidence to the contrary. You could start to look at the evidence that you know what, you're making progress. You know what, you're doing better than you were before. In fact, you're doing so well now. You're asking questions. Before, you didn't even ask questions. You know, you didn't even face your own shadow. You didn't even face the man in the mirror. You know, so then kasi conditioning lang yan eh. You can challenge where the belief came from because often our beliefs aren't our own. They were passed on to us or inculcated in us. Sinunog lang sa atin yun. So you can try to replace it with hindi naman ako nagsabi nun eh. Hindi naman sa akin galing yan eh. Or you could replace it with you know what, the only way to really improve is to start exactly where I am. Or you could take the realist points of view. Yes, you're currently crap. Yes, you're currently worthless. Great. Now you know exactly where you're starting from. Now do something about it. And these are just ways of looking at it. Yung flip side to that, hindi pala flip side, yung kaakibat nun, you have to start to learn to acknowledge your achievements. So, ask people, have I actually succeeded at anything? Have I at least managed to be a friend? Have I ordered pizza for you? So you've achieved something. You've just forgotten or you've overlooked it. Then you could do simple things like you accomplish something each day and then you create an achievement journal. You create proof that you're actually doing something. Good start na yun. Good start na yun. So, back to back na yun dun sa supposed na growth mindset. Ang thing kasi, ang problema sa mga identity na ina-adapt ng tao, hindi nila linalagyan na action. Magkaakibat yan eh. Identity, expression, identity, expression, identity, expression, identity, action. To paraphrase James Clear, every action you do is a vote cast in the direction of the identity you want to prove. You don't do the action, you don't reinforce the identity you're trying to take on. May sinasabi kang, Kesho, ganito ka ngayon or ganon, you're like, I don't know, you're a magnificent billionaire or something. But if you take no actions that prove that that identity is genuine, the identity dissolves, the identity collapses into sand. And then, in terms of that identity expression, take some action, take small, consistent actions. Yun, the same thing. Yung 5 or 6 months, compound effect. It takes a while. It takes time. But if you keep going at it, eventually the compound effect kicks in at month 5 and 6. And then since it's NLP, visualizing and anchoring stuff we love doing, stuff we're great at. And if they need help, they reach out to an NLP coach like us, and we can help them out. There's free stuff online, guaranteed, but it's just a whole different thing if you have a great coach who can actually listen and call you out on your own BS and help you really forge your way forward. Okay? Yung kung accountability lang, if you need a person to be accountable to, yeah, you do that. You find a loved one. And if you know, if you want, you could get an app to do that. The thing is, most people have no proof that they're okay. So even though you could turn a piece of paper into your body and hold yourself accountable to yourself, most people won't do that. They need another person to be accountable to. So if you'd like, declare something on Facebook, yung tipong magmumukha kang tanga pag di mo ginawa. Okay? Or magdo-donate ka dun sa pinaka-ayaw mong tao. Example, ayaw mo si Anthony. Magdo-donate ka kay Anthony ng 1 million kapag di mo nagawa yung gusto mong mangyari, di ba? Okay? Yun. Or magsusulat ka ng love letter kay Rico Blanco pag di mo nagawa yung task mo by Sunday, Okay? Or you'll touch yourself in public, something like that. Something trendy. na I got this from Tim Ferriss. It's the negative challenge. It's social accountability. But you make something that's horrible. You get Tim Ferriss, he will donate to a charity he hates automatically if he doesn't do the task on time. So something like that, that'll work. Then the rest, tried and proven tools naman, kaso hindi ginagawa ng tao. A little bit of self-compassion, a little bit of noticing that not all of your thoughts are true. Most of them are false. Then, practice lang. That's neuroplasticity. Pag di mo pinagugulan ng oras, wala. Sinayang mo lang yung capability ng neurons mo na mag-connect in a different way. And then, honestly, back to dun sa una niyang sinabi, just go. Just do it. Yeah, in the words of a great philosopher, WTF? What the hell is wrong with you? Just go, just do it. Take action and jump because why not? I hope that helps. Haba ng sermon, but I hope I addressed that.
Why did you redeem it? Diba? Si Gian kasi. Si Gian. Why did you redeem it? Okay. Mag-add lang ako ng usual. Okay lang. Ken insight, di ba?
Naman.
Tinanong ako na to parang sa inferiority complex. Maghanap ka ng mas bobo sa'yo.
Baliktad kasi yung comparison na ginagawa nila. Kino-compare nila sarili nila sa masigit sa kanila or sa perception nila masigit. Tama yun sa'yo, tol. Tama yun.
Maghanap
That's
ka.
neuroscientifically proven. Tama yan.
Yan. Kasi pag nakita mo, teka lang, malayo ako dun Di ba? Meron kang na-validate mo yung sarili mo. Okay.
Labo. Pero tol, ang jologs yan din ang gamit ng tao sa chismis
Hindi. Ano lang yan? Quick
I know, I
insight
know,
lang
I know,
yan.
I know.
Quick insight
I
lang
know,
yan.
I know, I know, I know, I know,
Insight.
I know, I know. It's funny though. It's funny though. But
Yung, sige, go. Gusto ko na kasi i-target dito. Kidding aside. Yun nga. Gusto ko na i-target dito. Yun nga dun sa
yeah,
statement na yun na just go and do it. Di pa ako magaling. Sino ba, konti lang meron kasi mga genius talaga, nagsisimula, magaling na sila Di ba? Pero if you get to look at things, even the geniuses put in the time to work. Okay. So ngayon, ang daming factors And baka kasi hindi pa clear sa'yo kung ano yung mga pumipigil sa'yo. Kasi kung ang statement mo sa amin dito is just go, kung paano siya magiging just go and just do it, you're looking for ways on how to actually do it. Ngayon, I want you to put awareness on steps. Baka kasi yun nga Strix, di ba? Palaging ini-explain mo rin yan Maybe the task is too big or either the task is too small. Di ba? Kaya siya, hindi siya, titingnan mo rin kung ano yung rewards, na benefits. And ito pinag-uusapan namin dito, yung consequences, feelings, emotions that's connected to the actions themselves. 'Di ba? And ako, it starts with knowing yourself more. So for example, for me, I have different systems already. Kasi I've I'm same with everyone. Ang dami kong task, hindi ko minsan tinatamad na ako gawin yung lahat ng yan Gusto ko na lang maglaro 'Di ba? But again, sinong gagawa niyan? Wala, ako din. Magpa-pile up lang din sa hanggang sa medyo emotionally, ano na yan, gagawin ko yun ng mabilis sa sunod-sunod. Ako rin yung may stress. Ako rin
Mm.
yung mabibigatan. Kasi
Mm.
naghahabol na ako ng deadline, mapapahiya na yung pangalan ko, reputation ko pag hindi ko yun inayos. So ngayon, hahabulin ko, tatapusin ko lahat para lang makomply lahat yan. Emotional. So, ngayon, minsan, ginagamit ko yun to get things done. Pero, again, we could make things simpler with our lives. Kasi mostly, we've been complicating our lives ourselves Tayo rin
Sinabi mo.
Oo. So, for the past years, I've been just, creating systems for myself. Meron akong papel, hindi nag-work yung mga sinulat kong tasks sa papel. Meron akong alarm. Meron akong alarm sa phone. Meron akong taong alarm, asawa ko. Pag sobrang importante na ng task, sasabihin ko na sa kanya, kulitin mo ako ng kulitin hanggang sa mabad trip ako. So, pag na-bad trip ako, malaki yung chance na gagawin ko na siya, bad trip na ako Tapos ka agad yun. Pero, masama yung pakiramdam, masama
Cloud.
sa feeling, but the task got done. A task got done. So, yung just do it, hinaluan ko kasi naiintindihan ko yung sarili ko May iba-iba yung mood ko per day May time na gusto ko magtrabaho, may time na ayaw ko. So sa mga times na ayaw ko, I've created systems for that. Na kahit ayaw ko, meron nangyayari na parang gawin ko pa rin siya. Kasi nga, yun nga
Diba? Diba?
Strix, pareho tayong coach that we don't really do marketing because we don't have a team. Hindi naman natin goal din yun masyado. But as coaches, we do have to create our own videos. We do have to do everything. Post kami sa online to make a change sa mundo na ginagalawa namin. Kami yung gagawa nun. So, we're, I hope you're listening right now. We're talking about systems here. We're talking about emotions. We're talking about thoughts. 'Di ba? Yan yung mga pwede nyo pa itanong kay Strix. But to quickly answer yung question na nagtanong, ayun na, sinabi ko na yun. Work with it.
Success.
Create
Success.
systems.
It's showing up.
Use other people kung hindi mo push yung sarili mo, you could use other people, you could use systems to create the discipline that you want. Okay? And sa imposter syndrome, I do think when you're beginning things, when you're starting things, hindi mo pa kasi alam yung mga steps Wala pa So, understand the steps para pag naiintindihan mo na yung metrics at alam mo na yung gagawin mo, medyo nakalamang ka na kaagad sa mga normal na gumagawa nun. Yung iba kasi, ginagawa lang ng ginagawa, wala silang sistema So, minsan, kung naintindihan mo yung sistema, nakita mo yung dapat mo nang gawin at clear siya, medyo mas dumadali. Walang ibang sagot dyan kundi do it. Yun lang. Sige. Okay. Strix, balik tayo sa ating questions. Ayan. Hi. Hi kay Pinky. Oy, Orven. Nanonood. What's up? What's up? from Davao. Okay, si Jovi, si Shin. Oh, sabi ni Shin, parang kung gusto mo tumangkad, tumabi ka sa mas maliit sa'yo. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. Sige, balik tayo dito sa topic natin. Okay, pero guys, pag may question kayo, pagtanong lang kayo dito. Alright? So, Strix, could you share more about like ano yung common um na tanong sa'yo ng mga tao when they approach you? Dami, alam ko madami kaya napahinga eh. It's a really wide spectrum. Pero in relation to our topic for tonight, like productivity, procrastination, systems, I mean, ano yung usual na problema na nilalapit sa'yo ng mga students, mga clients mo? Yeah.
Ang lawak nung tanong mo, bro, eh. Pero kung
First
ipa-partner,
thought that comes to mind.
hindi, kung ipa-partner ko dun sa lawak ng tinanong mo, tol, the first word that comes up is overcoming. Yun yung theme, eh. So, overcoming stagnation, overcoming procrastination,
Ah,
overcoming pain, overcoming talaga, eh. You know, there's this barrier or perceived barrier, and they're trying to figure out how to get from where they are to whatever is outside that barrier. They're trying to get from point A to point B and they don't know how, or they think they've tried, or they just can't see it. Yun eh. Dagdag mo pa na, drained yung energy nila, wala silang attention span, then emotionally and energetically drained. So, wala silang ability to manage their time. Yun eh. It's our focus and attention that gives us the capability to manage our energy and therefore bend time. It only happens that way. You can't control time, that's fixed. But they think time's the issue. No, 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 no. Attention is the issue. Focus is the issue. How you manage your energy is the issue. And you can't manage your energy because you don't direct your awareness. Hindi mo review kung paano mo ginagastos yung energy mo at buhay mo. Ayun. So wala kang control sa time. Wala. Sabog yung energy mo eh. Sabog yung attention mo eh. But they don't know that. We're blind to that. Even if it's a fact and everybody else can see it. This is true for everyone. We're blind to our own blind spots. Kaya tayong coaches, the best coaches, the real coaches, they have coaches. Because there's stuff we can't see. And
yeah.
and the more emotional we are, the less we see. Because all we see is
Tama.
the cloud of our emotions. Yun eh. So it's
Mhm.
it's overcoming, even if the thing they can't see that they're actually trying to overcome is themselves. It's their shadow. It's the man in the mirror. It's the cloud of emotions that they threw up in front of their own selves. Pero overcoming talaga yung theme. Yun. And funny thing about that is ang honestly ang solution sana is just start. Let me save you $3,000 worth of coaching. Just start.
Mhm. I was while you were talking, I was like having a thought in mind na I'm trying hard to maintain it pero buti na alala ko siya.
Ano yun?
Hindi, it's about focus eh. I think we
Oh.
discussed this on our previous like live that we did way back.
Mm,
Um Hindi ko alam kung sa limitless yun or tungkol sa
mm,
productivity, ADHD, yung isa episode natin na pinag-usapan na yun.
mm, mm,
And I asked this question about focus and naalala ko yung isa sa mga sagot doon was removing the distractions. So,
mm,
working with this concept na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, nakita kong problema ng karamihan is they're not aware kasi. So,
mm.
palagi yun yung sinasabi natin eh. Let's always start with awareness. Teka lang. ano nga ba yung mga distraction sa paligid ko kung bakit hindi ko nagagawa tong bagay na to. So, which connects me to one discussion na sinabi mo ng Limitless na
Mm.
yung sa movie na Limitless, ano yung unang ginawa niya nung na-take niya yung pill? Which was, naglinis siya ng bahay.
Oo.
So, kung mapapansin mo, sa dami ng nakikita mo, sige, tumingin ka sa workspace mo ngayon. Ang dami mo nakikita. Tumingin ka dun sa tabs mo. Ang daming nakalagay. 'Di ba? So, what if you removed those distractions? And one of the key things na with our modern lives right now is actually the internet. So, kung titignan natin yung most of the things that you do when you're quote and quote procrastinating is nanonood ako ng Netflix, nanonood ako ng ganyan. Imagine mo kung tinanggal mo yung access mo doon. Pinutol mo bigla yung internet, meron ka talagang focus time na wala kang internet, wala kang phone. Tingnan mo lang, test mo lang, baka meron change na mangyari kasi naghahanap yung utak mo ng gagawin.
Mm.
Right? So Strix, yeah, feel free to connect with what I said kasi medyo marami yung sinabi ko rin eh. Focus, removing distractions.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Yung flip side nun, tol,
Mm.
we have trained ourselves to be highly distractible. Okay? So kahit na ano na lang, may sipa ng dopamine. Okay? May sipa ng hook. So ang nangyayari nun is, eventually, hanap ng stimulation. Sanay ka ng stimulation. Wala kang break time. So, ah, ang mangyayari nun, hahanap ka ng mas malaking stimulation eh. You know? What used to have a kick will no longer have a kick. Okay? And so they're looking for the next big thing, the next big thing. We're not used to boredom. We can't, lots of people can't handle boredom. They can't handle sitting. This is one of the early limitless questions. Can you sit at the edge of the beach and do nothing for 45 minutes? Most people can't. It's like physical pain for them. They can't handle the not having a device. They can't chill, man. They can't just enjoy themselves. There's nothing of themselves to enjoy. They don't like being in their own heads. It's hell. You know? Kasi sinanay nila, sarili nila, palaging stimulation, palaging stimulation. Ang mangyayari nun is, para ka magising, kailangan mo ng mas malaking stimulation. Okay? Nung panahon ng caveman, ang stimulation lang naman is dangerous stuff eh. Or kapag kailangan mo mag-hunt. So, kapag lay low sila. Pero kapag on yung game. Kasi mamamatay sila pag di on yung game. You know, the saber-toothed tiger will kill them. The Tyrannosaurus Rex will chop off their heads. You know, if they don't get their A game on. Okay? Pero ngayon, lahat na lang stimulation. Di ba? Pati nga news natin eh. Kala mo galit yung tao, kinikwento lang pala yung tungkol sa kapitbahay, pero kung magsalita, parang galit. Anak ng, you know, I mean, it's all fear-based, it's all stimulation-based. And so we're rattled all of the time. And therefore, it takes a louder and louder noise to get our attention. You know, and that's true of the work we do. We can't focus on things anymore because we're so used to having our attention go everywhere at once. You know, yung classic example ko na lang dyan is try leaving the house after you've started a good series. You will not make it to your meeting on time. You will be convinced that you will make it to your meeting on time, but you will not make it on time. You will think that you can survive just watching 8 minutes only of the show. It will not be 8 minutes. You will be late. Okay, and that's true of so many things. You know, if all we did was practice, distraction free time, like sa phones, merong mga mods, may mga launchers na minimalist. Will turn your phone monochrome, will disable the apps, will disable internet. Tas magiging basic or brick phone yung phone mo, nothing phone. Uh, that works because it finally gives you exactly what you were talking about, the chance to concentrate, the chance to be without the internet, the chance to be without distraction. Yeah, you know. But that takes the same as, the same way we condition ourselves to be distracted, it takes practice being indistractable.
Hmm. Uh,
Oh, ano yun, bro?
no, no, no. I just would like to share coming from my own personal experience then. And ito yun. When I'm working and I wanna do clear, yun nga, yung clear my task list. So, na hindi nauubos. Parang hindi nauubos eh. Nadadagdagan na nga, dadagdagan yan eh. Pag iniisip
Mm,
ko,
mm,
madadagdagan na naman yan eh.
mm.
Um, One of the key distractions that I have is me answering messages.
Yun eh.
So, kaya ang nagiging set ko is to talagang kung magdi-deep work ako, nag-a-assign talaga ako ng oras for deep work lang talaga. Kuwari, tingin ko kayang ma-maintain ko yung attention
Mm,
and focus ko ng burst ng mga 15 minutes. Yung 15 minutes na yun, i-off ko yung phones ko, no internet, o-off ko, pati yung
mm,
browser ko, naka-close lahat ng Facebook. Wala akong maire-receive ng notification. Kasi I get, napansin ko sa sarili ko, I get a dopamine hit eh. Meron akong sense of doing something or na-achieve pag na-check ako ng messages or chine-check ko yung portfolio ko. 'Di ba? So, ngayon,
mm,
ang ginagawa ko, talagang focus ako 5 minutes talaga to brain dump lang, to write down
mm,
all the things that I have in mind
mm,
so that I start with a clear mind going to the
mm,
task. And then
mm,
afterwards, yun nga, kung meron akong mga preconceived na rituals, yung iba kasi coffee, sa akin minsan candy, 'di ba? So,
mm,
take in ko yun para at least I have this, I've created a thing inside my mind na pag nagawa ko to, it gives me an energy boost. So it's a
mm,
belief eh. I believe it. So it's more bound to
mm,
work. Then from there, yun na, burst ko yung mga task hanggang sa ang goal ko minsan kahit hindi ko matapos yung task. Ang goal ko minsan is kahit masimulan ko yung task. Basta nasimulan ko siya. Tapos meron akong
bingo!
timer. Meron akong timer for that.
Learning.
Talagang
Oh,
commitment. May commitment ako dun sa 15 minutes na yon. Oh, tapos after ng 15 minutes na yun, ang reward ko,
mm,
maglalaro na akong Dota.
pwede,
Okay, alam na ako kung
pwede.
ano gusto ko. Panoorin ko yung ano. Tapos mamaya, pag na-feel ko ulit, ganun. Pag na-feel ko ulit mag-work, yan yung system. Or yung isang system ko is yung talagang working with what you said earlier, momentum. So, I
Mm,
do something that's should be automatic on my list. Kunwari, yung paghugas nga ng pinggan. Kahit ayoko yun, wala akong choice minsan, hugasan yung pinggan. So, from there, I'm doing one task already. Malaki yung chance na after doing that task, ang logic ko is makatapult ako dun sa next task kasi meron akong movement. Meron akong movement.
yeah,
And yung
yep.
clustering, so yung mga task ko na kailangan ng movement, pag may movement na ako, malaki yung chance na magagawa ko yung mga movement tasks na yun. Like going to the mall, going to yan, errands, whatever. So, um, maraming pwedeng malawak na topic to guys, hindi kakayanan namin ng
Mhm.
isang oras. But one request was pwede kami magkwentuhan ni Strix dito ng ilang oras. Pero hindi namin with the time constraints na meron din kami with our lives. Ito yung oras na bibigay namin. So if you have questions, sabi ko sa inyo kanina dyan sa comment section, sulitin nyo na. So, kung
Mm,
nakikinig ka dito ngayon at nandito ka pa rin, okay, pakitype lang, productivity, so that ma-acknowledge lang namin na nandito ka sa loob sa Facebook Live ngayon. Okay? So, meron statement dito, Strix, basahin ko lang. I agree that high stimulation destroys our attention span. I stopped watching short form content for a year now, and that helped
good
to
job.
lengthen my attention span. Besides
Bingo.
this, what else can you suggest that can help us sit in silence with ease? Thank you po.
if if you're actually looking for Yeah. For that ability, you may want to practice with just being completely present when you're doing something. So if you're listening to someone, just listen. If you're enjoying your meal, just enjoy your meal. Like me in a proper state of mind. I remember there was several years back. There was a point in time when uh, around 2013, 14, when every time I had my first bite of food, I had the ability to taste the food as if even if I have if I, even if I've had it before, it's like I'm tasting it for the first time. I'm just completely immersed in the moment, and doing one of those, that's when I first discovered that adobo has 6 flavors. you know, sweet, salty, tasty, spicy, umami. You know, adobo is 6 things. So I actually use that for diet advice now. You're looking for chips, you're looking for fries, you're looking for salty. Lugi ka dun. Kuha ka na lang na adobo. With adobo, you have 6 different flavors. You're wasting your calories with something with less than 6 flavors. Why would you do that? But it comes from just being present, just noticing where you are and what you're doing, and being nowhere else. Like the problem with most people is their mind and their body are in 2 different places. So this happens in the corporate, ha. Madalas yan. Corporate, madalas. Freelancing, nakikita ko na din. Nandun ka sa work, iniisip mo, bakasyon. Okay? So, sinanay nila na kung nasaan yung katawan, wala doon yung utak. Okay? So, ang nangyari ganito. While nasa work, iniisip nila vacation, 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 vacation. Pagdating nila sa vacation, iniisip nila, since sinanay nila yung katawan nila, no, wala doon kung nasaan yung katawan, wala doon yung utak. Pagdating nila sa bakasyon, nasa bakasyon yung katawan nila, iniisip nila work. Dalas nun, it's so funny. It's so common, where my invitation is just be completely present. If you want to get better at that game, and why not, because it makes for a better experience of life, just take some time being completely present. you know um Pwede mong gawing libangan yung favorite hobby ni Ken. Titigan yung pores ng asawa niya.
Sabi ni
Nakita
Strix,
ginagawa.
favorite hobby ko daw, titigan yung pores mo.
Ginawa mo nung isang araw.
Kahapon kasi.
I'm saying, wherever you are, be there. Be nowhere else. Yeah. And the reverse of that is what you see a lot of people doing now. They're in a conversation and then they suddenly look at their phone. And then they don't go back to the conversation. And everybody goes silent because somebody just dropped from the conversation like they dropped from a Zoom call. You know? Sabi ng matatanda, wala nang GMRC. Wala nang good morals and right conduct. The truth is, people just don't have attention spans anymore. You're in a conversation and they think a phone call is more important than a conversation when they have nothing useful to do on the phone call. They think that TikTok is more important than a face-to-face conversation that's, probably nicer or kinder or more fun or more human or juicier, but, shiny object. My invitation is just do one thing at a time. Try that. You might be surprised because that's how we work anyway. We can we can we can switch tasks, but we can't really multitask. Yeah. Or you can focus on one thing and focus poorly on another thing. But one has to be signal and the other is noise. One is carrier signal and one is lyrics. You can't have 2 strong lyrics. Yeah. One thing at a time talaga. Yeah.
Or
I hope that made sense.
yeah,
Ay,
add ko lang din,
mm,
some people like suggest meditation.
Pero
Sure.
as NLP practitioners, kami ni Strix, we get to understand programming. So, malaking part din dito, pwede mong tingnan, is to sit lang in silence, and that when other thoughts come in, practice to cut those thoughts and just focus on one thing. Every day, hanggang sa tumagal ng tumagal, as you repeat and repeat, repetition is the mother of all skill.
Right, right. But even what you described
Yeah.
is meditative in nature.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. Just coming back to the moment is meditation. So if you're walking, just walk. If you're, doing whatever you're doing, just do one thing. Yeah, and then exactly what you pointed out, more practice with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Repetition.
Mm.
And then,
Yeah. Yeah.
yung, yun nga pag yun lang ulitin ko lang ulit yung sinabi ko repetition, repetition. Practice. As you get to repeat and repeat and repeat, sige repeat. It gets instilled in your brain. As hypnotists, ito yung isa sa mga secret namin. We just repeat things most of the time and just para ka nakinig ng budots, di ba? Paulit-ulit. Sobrang paulit-ulit na retain na sa utak mo. Yung apathy, di ba? I mean, it's just a repeat of words, but just got installed in your mind subconsciously. It's the same thing. Look at something or do something. When other thoughts come in, work on the system to cut it.
Yeah.
Work with your awareness. And as you practice more of that, mapapansin mo na lang, you could stay focused for a longer period of time already. Yeah.
Hey,
so, yeah.
bro, ipapari ko nga pala yung something you said earlier.
Go.
You were talking about like how you reward yourself or how you celebrate. And I wanted to point out that a lot of people, what tends to happen nowadays is that they get the rewards without putting in the work. So hindi na rewarding gawin yung work. Gets ba? Ikaw, nag-set up ka ng parang reward system mo. I can't do this without doing this thing.
Meron.
So nagagawa mo.
Nakita ko yun.
So nagagawa mo, di ba? Nainis ka man, nagawa mo naman, di ba? Eh sila, wala. You get the rush without the work. You get the reward or the supposed reward or the fake reward without doing the work. So of course, you lose motivation and you need a larger and larger dopamine hit in order for you to get your ass off your chair. Because for zero effort, you get a reward. What will cause you to come to action? Only if the reward is high enough. So yung flip side nun is, you're not moving because it's not important enough. Nandito yung technique mo dati tol, yung gun to the head. You're not moving because it's not important enough, bro. That's why they're not doing it. They pay lip service to it. They say they want to do it. It's not true. If they wanted to, they would have already started. Yeah.
Napanood mo yung Carry On? Bago sa Netflix, hindi ba?
Carry
On.
Yung?
Carry On yata yung title nun. Ang ginawa nun, sobrang, syempre medyo, katulad yung sinabi ko before, kung tinutukan ka ng barel, tapos hindi mo pa rin gagawin, hindi ko gagawin yan. Pag tinutok yung barel na yun to someone or something that you love, maybe perspective would change. So, wala. Ganun yung sinetup ng manipulation part dun sa movie na yun. Kumbaga, medyo morally conflicting kasi yung mangyayari. So, ang ginawa nun, yung villains is ni-research sila yung tao ng sobrang solid. Tapos, parang trineten yung love partner nung lalaki, nung bida. So, ngayon, dahil syempre love niya emotionally, kasi kung siya tinutukan, pwede niya sabihin, hindi ko gagawin yan. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero nung tinutukan yung ano niya, yung family niya, yung love interest niya, putek, wala. Ang bilis. Nagbago ka agad. Lahat gagawin na niya para doon. Mm. So ito, question. Guys, watching on Facebook also, patapos na kami. Pwede naman namin ulitin to ni Strix, lalo na kung meron kayo mga questions. We as we've done this a lot of times before, instead of us just talking about the topics that we've already discussed ourselves ng sobrang tagal na din,
Hmm.
we'd want to focus on a personal experience coming from this call, coming from this FB Live. Kaya we encourage people to ask
Mm.
their personal questions because iba-iba yung dinadaanan ninyo. You could just listen and get value, that's fine. But if you're listening and you ask a question and we actually address that question with, nilagay mo yung context we could make sure that we've delivered value sa'yo within this call.
Better yan.
Oo,
Better yan. Better yan.
yun yung,
Better yan.
that's why I've been stating it mula kanina na this is how we work. We work with people. Oh. So ito, question. May question tayo, Strix.
Teka, may hirit lang ako sandali.
Sige.
Real quick. Okay lang.
Yeah, go.
You know what's better than, most of the coaches? This sounds horrible, but honestly, you know what's better than most of the coaches out there?
Ano? Super coach? Ano ba? Ano?
Ito, tol.
Ano yan? Hindi ko
Alam mo
makita.
ito?
Relo.
Timer, tol.
Timer. O bakit? Bakit timer?
All people need is something to be
Pressure.
accountable to.
Pressure.
Most people. May levels ang coaching, tol eh.
Mm.
Level 1 is just tasks. Okay? Tasks, all you need is a timer or an app. Pero some people pay other people to be their timer or their task keeper. Ano yun yung monkey on the back eh. Level 2 for coaching is skills. You're passing on something that you're good at. Level 3 for coaching is transformation, where you help people become something else, something that they aspire to or they're not yet, but they're trying to be. Okay? But for level 1, which is, for most people, the thing they have to overcome, get a timer. More efficient, better. As long as you commit to it, your timer is probably going to do better than most coaches out there. Random coaches. Get a timer. Ay, may isa pa akong share. Real quick, tol.
Okay.
Nung minimension mo yung momentum, nakibenta akong bagong system, tol.
Ano, tol?
Okay. Alam mo yung, kasama kasi kita ng isang araw eh. Alam mo yung reason kung bakit ka umuwi, di ba? Hindi yung fake reason mo na ako. Yung totoong reason mo, yung sabi mo sa katansyan mo.
Oh, masakit yung chan ko eh. Uwi na
Exacto.
ako. Oh.
Exacto. Napakilos ka, di ba? So, gawin natin system. Ito yung proof eh. NLP coaches, ang core driver natin, curiosity. Kaya natin gumawa ng sistema mula sa kahit anong bagay. So, ito na-invento ko kanina. Naisip ko na na-jebs ka ng isang araw. I call it the momentum jebs system. Ganito may task list ka. Iintayin mo ngayon na na-jebs ka na. Tapos umpisahan mo yung task list. Umpisahan mo yung task list mo, tapos bawal kang mag-jebs hanggat di mo tapos yung task.
Yeah.
Tol, makakatapos ka ng 3 bagay, pustahan. Makakatapos ka ng 3 bagay, tol.
Meron
momentum jeb system. Legit yan. Legit.
Working yan. Kaya kong i-attest yan.
Momentum jeb system, MJS. Patented, Toledo and Somera.
Yung nakita ko kasi dyan, isang concept din yan, Strix, napansin ko looking back, was nung nasa school ako, parang palagi ako nag-cramming. Gusto ko yung emotions na parang pag late. Kita mo, madalas, di ba? Nagpapalate talaga ako kasi parang meron akong kick dun sa, ayun na. Kasi sa buhay ko ngayon, sobrang relaxed eh. Wala ako. I could just say, malilate ako.
Hirap na mayaman eh.
Diyan ka muna.
Hirap na may pera na, walang motivation eh.
Bahala siya sa buhay. May mga dyan. Pupunta ako pag gusto ko na pupunta dyan. Teka lang, risked na lang tayo ng ibang araw. Gets mo? Nandun sa...
Di ba? Ayaw mo diwag.
Ayaw mo diwag. Bahala ka dyan. Oo. Pero,
Ano
ah,
tinutulungan eh, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
pero yung masakit sa tiyan, ano yan, very, very good, ano yan, thanks Trixon, remind ako
Di
dyan,
ba,
useful
napakilos
yan.
ka, tol.
Kaya,
Di ba?
oo. Alis ka agad ako eh.
Gawa ka ng
Alis
task
na
list.
tayo.
So, oh, sulat mo lang, MJS. Tapos meron kang isang post-it, tol. Post-it, di ba?
Momentum
Okay.
Jeb System.
Nakasulat MJS. Sa pag nafe-feel mo na magja-jebs ka, labas mo na yung listahan mo.
Oo.
Bawal jumebs hanggat di mo natapos yung post-it mo.
Game, game, game,
Panalo
game,
yun.
game.
Panalo yun. Boboto mo kami ng presidente.
Useful yan, useful yan. Oo.
Ay, next,
Yun
next.
yung
Hindi, may
unique,
question.
ano yan? Yun yung unique na, ano, na nabuo sa session na to. So, every session namin, meron kaming parang tinatawag namin na unique thought. Na hindi namin na share. Oo. So, sa nagtanong dito sa Facebook kung shareable to, hindi
Okay.
to shareable. This is only available sa loob ng online Filipino freelancers. And onting plug lang muna ako. Nasa 12 days of Christmas pa rin tayo. Meron tayong giveaway na
Uy,
laptop and marami tayong pinapamigay na gadgets dito. Dalawa yung magiging draw natin. Yung isa, alam ko, sa December 20, malapit na. And yung isa, after Christmas, magkakaroon pa tayo ng isa pang draw. So, nakakalikom na tayo ng a certain amount of money na to actually, hopefully, malapit na tayo dun sa second laptop na mabili. So, kung if you've been a person na gusto mo tumulong, gusto mo mag-share, gusto mong manalo nung laptop, makasali dun sa mga papamigay, Miss Trix, ako, I've given out, nag-commit ako dito ng coaching call. Nag-commit ako ng coaching call ng 3, one-on-one. And nag-commit din ako ng isang entry sa persuasion na workshop para ma-raffle. And the value for the persuasion workshop kasi I'm marketing it at 10K. Yung sa coaching, 5K, 5K, 5K ako dyan eh. So, yun yung value nung pinaparaffle ko. Tsaka nag-pitch din ako. So, if our listeners here want to pitch or be part of the raffle, may post dyan patungkol doon. Pwede kayong mag-donate lang, sabihin niyo lang sa akin kung gusto niyo mag-donate or kung gusto talaga sumali sa raffle, may forms na nandyan. Okay, so ulitin ko dun sa question ni Jovi, can we share this po? You can tag them or invite them inside off kasi so this is a private, ginawa lang namin to for off para dito sa
or off.
12, for off lang talaga to, hindi to naka-public. So papasukin mo na lang sa off or tag mo sila dito kasi this is recorded under off naman eh. So madali lang yan makita. Okay. Tapos ang sabi ni AC, di ba Almoranas naman kakalabasan nun? Ah, depende pag sobrang
Pag di mo ginawa yung task mo,
pag hindi mo
o
ginawa yung
pag
task
tinatagal
mo.
mo pa,
Oo.
see,
Oo.
di ba?
So,
Real world consequences. Walang
real world.
consequences natin kaya hindi mo ginagawa eh. Oh.
Mm. So, ito, balikan naman natin sa mga questions natin. Guys, sulitin nyo na. Again, patapos na kami, 10:53 na. But
Yeah, out
dadaanan
na
lang
ako
namin
in
tong,
3 minutes.
out na kami in a few minutes. So, question coming from Zoom. How do you battle, anhedonia? Or when
Okay.
everything you love doing suddenly does not feel good anymore?
Okay. Depende sa issue ah. So, pwede kasing pwedeng overstimulation lang, unbelievably. Overstimulation ng cause. So, low dopamine or serotonin, burnout, overstimulation, yun nga, too much of shiny new object. Pwedeng trauma or unresolved conflicts, so to speak. Pwedeng physical issues, central sensitization or chronic fatigue syndrome, hormonal imbalances. Pwedeng side effect ng medication, kunwari antidepressants or antipsychotics. Depende kung ano talaga issue. I don't have enough background. But in general, one, seek professional help. Ask someone who might actually know, not random internet person who you don't see. Okay? Talk to someone. Talk to Ken Ken. You know?
Bakit kagad?
And,
Binigyan mo pa ako ng
yeah, wait.
trabaho.
I know. Hirap eh. I'm sorry. It's hard to talk to
Oo.
um coaches who are too rich to care. I'm sorry. Hang on. It's really important to look at the medical side, ha. Kasi madalas 'yun, dami ko nakita nung naglipat na yung mga hypnotist tsaka coaches biglang nag-mushroom. Tol, um, they're trying to treat something that might actually just be hypothyroidism. Mababagal yung thyroid, but it will look like depression or something else, or a vitamin D or a vitamin B12 deficiency or the side effect of a medication. And then, since wala silang tag team na doctor, they're trying to do everything themselves. They miss out on the fact that it might be something medical. That's the issue when you're trying to behave as if you know everything, and then you don't connect with peers, you don't have an association, you don't have a community of people to ask from, you don't have an association, you don't have established people to work with, you don't have like a group effort, of therapists and physicians. Mahirap yung you're working from your own box. But presuming it's not that, dysregulated yung nervous system eh. So as funny as it sounds, restoring balance is the key. And super big thing, actually sleep. That's one of the biggest things. And then nutrition, and then physical activity. It's unbelievable how many things you will fix with these four things. Sleep.
Yep.
Good nutrition.
Yep.
Physical activity.
Yep.
Relationships.
Yep.
It's amazing how many things can be sorted with these four things. If these four things are not sorted, you look at the meta studies, the studies of all the studies combined together. If you did spine surgery, by example, if you don't have those four sorted, your spine surgery could fail. And sometimes you've been recommended spine surgery, but if you have those four things sorted, sometimes you don't need the spine surgery and you do better. It's weird. So kita mo dun yung interaction ng mind-body thing eh. So it's a super big thing. So same thing applies to anhedonia, and then physical or somatic mind-body experiences help. So there's a reconnecting with your body. So breath work, mindfulness, some form of grounding or connecting, whether it's to the earth or people. And then surprisingly for reset, cold showers. And then tiny actions, rebuilding gradually, start with low effort. Anhedonia kasi like a disinterest in everything eh. Parang nangyayari sa atin sa Netflix pag walang kwenta yung mga palabas. Wala. There's nothing to look at. There's no interest in anything. Okay. So yung anhedonia is that to the max. Okay? So you could start with so-called microdosing. You start to enjoy, try small things. Kapirasong kababawan, whatever it is. My personal invitation, a good cold glass of water, a very simple pizza, or homemade adobo. Just sit there and just enjoy it like it's the first time you're trying it. Small things. And then novelty. Try something you haven't tried before. Look for 3 different kinds of pancit canton and then mix it and see if you come up with something good. Try a different toothpaste.
Pancit canton na may suka, no?
Walk to another place. I told you about this, and I've told other people about this also during these conversations. I've actually billed people, and people were happy to pay me. Two of the girls I advised, the only thing I said was, because it occurred to me they like traveling and depressed and anxious. Okay, clinically,
Mostly.
I said, wait, you like traveling, right? Yeah. When's the last time you traveled? Blah blah blah. So, okay, great. So you have until whatever the time. I asked them to pack everything and leave. Okay. Guess what? They called me around, a few days to 2 weeks later. Happy as hell. Kasi nag-change yung environment eh. Nag-change yung perspective nila. And then they sent me money because I solved their thing.
Yeah.
Coaching, pare.
Yun yung trabaho namin.
Coaching. You save a life. No matter how you save a life, you save a life.
Kaya, ang daming
ano
Yeah,
gusto maging coach. Pero
you genuinely help. But
legit.
because sometimes all you need is really like a break in routine, break in what you're exposed to. And sometimes that's enough to break out of anhedonia. And then um minsan kailangan mong gumawa ng system para lang mag-enjoy ka eh. Like, ikulong mo sarili mo sa isang lugar na wala kang choice na kailangan mag-enjoy ka. Structured play is what it's called. Okay? Ang weird kasi ng anhedonia eh. Parang wala. It's like,
mag-usap na lang tayo sa nagtanong nun kasi nasa
mahaba to. But
program
anyway,
ako
I hope
ngayon.
that helps already. Okay? Oh,
Yeah.
closing na. Tama na.
Teka lang, may question pa eh.
Ano?
Hindi, ay sabi ko sasagutin ko na yung tanong na yun kasi I think I have to understand the specific context eh. Pwedeng kaya kong kaya ko i-work on yun eh, yung buong yun. Oh, kaso
Sige.
syempre may process eh. Oh, so
Okay.
kailangan natin maintindihan mismo kung ano yung mga aware siya, ano yung mga hindi siya aware, 'di ba? Kaya, sige. Let's work on that on a different day na lang sa nagtanong na yan. Okay. So, ito, kaya lang, basahin ko lang to. Unlike procrastination naman po, I have this mindset for any work I do na I don't want to disappoint anyone. Or if I don't do this right, I'll be a burden to someone naman. Kaya pinupush ko ng sobra sarili ko and can't seem to rest lang ng maayos. I'm afraid na it'll lead to burnout naman.
Since tamad na ako, reframe ko na lang Idana. Rest is necessary for perfection. Amen. Okay,
Amen.
next.
Amen. Last question. From your personal experiences, how do you bounce back as soon as possible from burnout? Mabagal po kasi transition
Sleep.
time ko. And when I face that peak of exhaustion, I want to be more efficient sa pagtulong sa sarili ko when this happens para mag-go ulit sa life. Huminto ba yung life?
Sleep.
Para mag-go ulit sa life.
Sleep. 20 minutes nap or 6 hours sleep.
Okay, sige. So,
Well, actually, dalawa lang yan eh. It's 20 minutes nap or cycles of 1.5 hours na sleep. So, pwedeng 90 minutes, 3 hours para makarecover yung body mo, 4.5 hours para mag-connect na yung left at right brain mo, 6 hours para umandar na yung hormones mo para tao ka na talaga. Or minimum 20 minutes nap. Hindi pwedeng 45, mas basag ka nun kasi kinakain mo yung gitna ng cycles. Okay? Pili ka. Either 20 minutes or 1.5 hours. Pili ka. Okay?
Okay. O sige, ayun lang siguro for now and quick announcements lang ulit yun dun sa 12 days off. If you want to donate, just send me a message para dun sa mga laptop. And para kung mag-qualify naman para makasali dun sa mga i-raffle na yun. Kasi again, mahirap mag-announce mag-raffle ng 400, halos 400,000 yung members dito sa off eh. So kaya meron tayong ginawang system. In-announce nila CJ tsaka ni Randy the other day. So ano na lang, let me know, send me a PM para at least I could assist you with that. Okay? Tapos kami ni Strix ang message dito. Oy, John Paul, may mga planned workshops na ba for 2025? Meron na. Actually, meron na. I'll let you know. Pero from Persuasion, from Kestrix, we are yung coaching masterclass. Mas maganda yun
Panalo yun.
kung coach ka na or therapist ka kasi will talagang kung ano yung mga approaches for anxiety, depression, will be problem-centered dun sa masterclass na yun para i-share namin yung what we've been doing for the past decades na rin, kung ano yung mga approach na ginamit namin for that. And then, Hypnocom, para dun sa mga gusto matuto ng NLP deeper tsaka ng conversational hypnosis, yung mga hypnotic language patterns, ayun yun. And then yung
The original, adaptive, ever-evolving Hypnocom.
Tapos lastly, yung retreat na ginagawa namin ni Strix every 2 years. Mukhang totoo naman, Strix. Every 2 to 3 years lang talaga siya. Kasi last 2 years, ang galing, di ba? Sabi ko nun, every 2 years, ginawa namin to, which is true. 2 years na ulit. Okay, 2 years na ulit.
So we'll be doing the Limitless program, working with limiting beliefs to. So legit over. I think we have an idea na gagawin namin siya 3 days. Now, 3 days.
Oo,
Tingnan namin
oo,
kung
oo.
Boracay or some place. Titingnan muna namin. Planuin muna
Oo,
namin.
oo.
Pero nag-usap namin
O,
ni
tama
Strix sa
na, love
gabi.
life na.
Sige na. So, Dota na. Dota na ako. Strix, do you have anything to announce before we go? Any
Sure.
final message for our friends listening here before we go?
For most things, all you need is a timer, not a lame coach. If you need something stronger than a timer, get a real coach. We all have
Okay.
blind spots, and the best coaches actually have coaches.
Totoo yan.
No. I wish you all well. As we've said time and time again from Limitless, I wish you peace of mind and a better experience of life. And actually, that's the goal with Limitless. And I don't think that's a bad thing. So why not? Bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well said. So, sa uulitin, I do think bukas ng gabi, Tuesday, meron na naman tayong ganito. So, I'll do my best. Hindi ko try, I'll do my best to go live with some people who volunteer or are good friends that I know could add value here sa off. So I'll go live hanggang sa bago mag-Christmas siguro or pag available ako. I'll do my best. Okay? So ayun, magandang gabi again. My name is Ken Sumera and
It's
kita-kits
been
ulit
fun,
tayo
brother.
sa mga susunod na ganito. Thank you so much Strix, and you could connect with Strix sa Facebook. Send him a message if you gotten value. Just meron siyang TikTok, meron siyang Facebook. He does post value from
OnlyFans.
time to time. Actually, every day. every day. Oh, I get to see Strix's post. Masipag yan si Strix. So, thank you again. Strix.
Hindi,
Totoo
pinapagalitan ako
naman.
ng Facebook.
Totoo
Hindi
naman Totoo naman.
Hindi, I try. Pinapagalitan ako ng Facebook eh.
Pagalitan din natin si Facebook. Pero dahil dyan, naka-live tayo sa Facebook. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. And again, live a better life. Bye-bye.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah,
And
bye.
thank you, everyone.